This is going to blow your mind. Ever wondered about the crazy secrets behind McDonald's? Let's dive in. Did you know Ray Kroc was 52 when he discovered McDonald's? And he was friends with Walt Disney. Imagine a Big Mac in Disneyland. So close, yet so far to Speaking of big, McDonald's is the largest restaurant chain worldwide. With 40,000 locations, you're never more than 115 miles away from a McDonald's in the US. That's a lot of fries. But here's a twist. Only 4 African countries have McDonald's: Egypt, Mauritania, Morocco, and South Africa. Need a Happy Meal in Africa? You better plan your trip carefully. And for dessert, ever wondered why Coca-Cola tastes different at McDonald's? It's because they use stainless steel containers for the syrup. Fancy, right? Oh, and the McGold card. Free McDonald's for life. Bill Gates has one. Talk about VIP treatment. So next time you bite into a McNugget, remember, you're not just eating fast food, you're munching on a piece of history. Stay golden, folks. But wait, there's more. Did you know that McDonald's is the world's largest toy distributor? Thanks to their Happy Meals, they distribute more toys annually than Hasbro and Mattel combined. And speaking of Happy Meals, did you know they were first introduced in 1979? They've been making kids smile for over 4 decades. And here's a fun fact. The first menu item ever sold at McDonald's was a hot dog, not a burger. Surprising, right? And if you're a fan of the Big Mac, you might be interested to know that it was created by a franchisee named Jim Delegati in 1967. It was so popular that it became a permanent menu item the following year. But wait, there's more. Did you know McDonald's has a secret menu? That's right. You can order items like the Land, Sea and Air Burger, which combines beef, chicken and fish patties. Or the McGang Bang, a McChicken sandwiched inside a double cheeseburger. Just ask and you shall receive. And speaking of unique items, McDonald's in different countries have some wild menu options. In Japan, you can get a teriyaki burger, while in India, there's the makalu tikki, a potato-based burger. In Italy, you can enjoy a makitali burger with artichoke spreads. It's like a culinary world tour. And did you know McDonald's has its own university? It's called Hamburger University, and it's located in Chicago. Since 1961, it has trained over 275,000 franchisees, managers, and employees. Talk about commitment to quality. And here's a quirky fact. The McDonald's arches are more recognizable than the cross. According to a survey, more people recognize the golden arches than the Christian cross. Now that's some serious brand power. And if you're a fan of Monopoly, you'll love this. McDonald's Monopoly game has been running since 1987. It's one of the most successful promotions in fast food history, with millions of prizes given away each year. Just peel and win. So next time you visit McDonald's, remember that every bite you take is a bite of history, innovation, and a whole lot of fun. Stay curious and stay golden, folks.